Here's how you can make $500 daily. 8 proven ways to earn passive income. Making $500 a day might seem like a really nice goal, and honestly, it's not that difficult to achieve. $500 is a lot of money, as it equals over $10,000 a month if you're working every day during the week. But you know what? You can earn it. Today in this video, I will be sharing with you some realistic business ideas that you can use to earn $500 a day. Some of these ideas can take some time to develop, but they'll bring you a great profit in the long run. Let's begin. Number 8, freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the best ways to make $250 or more a day. And this is actually how you can earn a lot of money. During the COVID crisis, many people quit or lost their jobs and went all in on blogging and freelance. In the initial stages, you don't have many freelance writing clients. But after some experience and work, you can have several clients paying you anywhere from 7 cents to 15 cents per word. At the rate of 10 cents, you will need to write 2,500 words per day to make $250, which is definitely achievable and realistic. And as you gain experience, slowly you will get more clients and you can increase your rates. The hardest part about freelance writing is getting your first few clients. You can make $500 a day or more from freelance writing before switching to any other projects like blogging. Of course, this idea is easier if you enjoy writing and have an instinct for it. But if you buckle down and stick with it, you can make a great sum of money. Number 7, flip stuff for profit. You can always make a good sum of money by buying and reselling goods. People are trying to do this job with lots of creative ideas. They start by buying old and used accessories or anything that has value, or by finding free products on online marketplaces, refurbishing them, giving them a new look, and then selling them and making huge profits. Selling furniture such as side tables, dressers, or complete furniture sets can bring a profit of hundreds of dollars. This is just one example of pinball, which is constantly found in many categories, such as clothing, electrical appliances, toys, household goods, and video games. With some retail investments, you can offer branded products for sale in stores at a discount or in any retail store. From there, you can list your inventory because there are many other sales apps and marketplaces that you can try. Number 6, rent out assets. There are many ways to rent things out for money, which can be a great idea if you prefer passive income over active income. As with other time-consuming jobs, this is no ordinary way to make a profit of $500 a day, but can potentially boost your daily income. There are also many things you can rent out, including reserving storage space with the help of a storage, a guest room, or an entire house with Airbnb. You can also rent your vehicles with Turo, a parking lot with sites like Spot Hero, and many more interesting things. In big cities, more people want to rent out different things, so these cities are where rental companies work the most and benefit the most. For out of the city, you can experiment by renting out land for camping or land for farming. So there are plenty of creative ideas to begin with. Number 5, consulting. Consulting is another very creative job, and many industries hire consultants in their different departments, such as search engine optimization, HR, business development, marketing, and public relations. You can make money with 2 types of consulting. The first one is SEO consulting, and the second is paid advertising consulting, in which you run Facebook ads for clients. In both cases, you can charge clients monthly fees for the work. If you have an experience in the industry and you are an expert, there are very high chances that you can earn much more in this field. However, you can look for opportunities by contacting your network as well. There are many consulting jobs out there that pay you well, and you can earn $500 per day out of it. Number 4, video editor. As more and more brands look to create video content, there's a need for editors to fix errors as well as enhance the video and audio content. People who are full-time editors and editors for big companies can make more than $60,000 annually. Many companies have projects where they prefer to hire a video editor on demand rather than have them on staff, opening up opportunities for many freelancers. These jobs may come through networking and referrals, while others are posted on job sites. If you have good editing skills but are not that much interested in making videos, you can always offer your services for editing videos that other people make. Most of the videos on YouTube undergo video editing. It's what makes what might otherwise be amateurish videos look professional. The video editor will adjust technical factors like sound and add enhancements like graphics, music, sound effects, and other special features. The basic idea is to make the video more appealing to the viewer. Once you have a resume of completed work, you can directly solicit active YouTubers, especially those who are up and coming. Number 3. Phone case business. There is a tremendously growing market for cell phone accessories, and many handmade sellers earn huge amounts from their phone case stores. You can set up your own phone case business and start earning. These days, you get ready-to-use kits that give you everything you need to start a cell phone case business. Once your startup is set, you can start selling on Etsy and Amazon or any other platform of your choice. Some people in their first year of selling phone cases on e-commerce websites earn hundreds of dollars per day alone, not to mention additional sales through trade shows, retail shows, promotional product sellers, parties and events, and other online marketplaces. Number 2. Sponsored posts. With a sponsored post, a company pays you to talk about their product or service on their website. While you can initially earn $100 to $200 for every sponsored post you write, you can continue to increase your rates over time. How much can you actually earn? A blogger can earn an average of about $3,000 per month from sponsored posts. However, blogs with more traffic can easily make $20,000 per sponsored post or more per month. If you're planning for sponsored posts, I definitely recommend working only with companies that you believe in and feel comfortable promoting. If you promote everything and everyone without making sure it aligns with your values, you probably won't gain much trust from your readers. Number 1. Become an online tutor. Working as an online tutor is an easy way to increase your monthly income, provided you have the skills and abilities to teach others. This is one of the best online jobs you can do from anywhere, and it's extremely flexible. To become an online tutor, you can register through a variety of tutoring websites or work privately with students. It is possible to earn over $40 per hour from this job. A private tutor is a rewarding experience that can help you learn and grow while expanding your expertise. Today, more than ever, education systems need tutors to help learners stay focused and on course while learning a new topic. As a tutor, you could help them at home or online by choosing your teaching style and method. Tutors can accommodate learners from primary school age to college graduates. No matter what kind of tutoring you do, it is crucial to set a price that works for you and is fair to your customers. You should charge between $15 and $50 per hour of your time. By now, you must have gotten an idea about which business is most suitable for you to earn $500 per day. You can start with any one of them as per your interest and skills. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it and see you at the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here and hit the bell icon for future updates.